But there are three important miracles happened. All are related to Bhagavan Satya Sai. Even though 1973, I was very young, studying 10th class. One day, somebody took me in Bombay to see Satya Sai. I was too young. I don't know anything about Baba. They said that you follow the principles of Baba. Thereafter, there is a long gap. Only after marrying in 1986, again, my connections are strengthened. And my wife, Baba was blessed me. The first miracle, what happened is, I married a family of Baba devotees, long. My wife was named by Baba as Shivamala. And thereafter I started coming frequently. This is the first miracle happened. Why I am saying it's a miracle is, even though I enrolled as advocate and I used to work hard, I never used to get the results properly. Results in the sense, nobody recognized my hard working. I used to work 18 hours a day. After marriage and I am starting coming, one day Baba asked me, first time I came and I sat there in third row. He came there and he asked me, Bangaru, get up. I stand up. What you want? I said, Swami, nothing. I don't know. Swami, nothing. You don't want nothing. He laughed. Okay. He blessed me with Vibhuti. I went back. And thereafter I start realizing that whatever hard work I done, I started that the fruits are coming. That is the first miracle. Thereafter, one day I brought my two young daughters with me. I never expected that Baba will give an interview or call me. Suddenly he asked us to come to the room. And I asked my two young daughters, what you want to be? My elder one said that I want to be a doctor. He said that, okay, you are going to be a doctor. The other one is a small, what you want? She doesn't know, she laughed, you will be a lawyer. Now, with the grace of Baba, my daughter, elder daughter is a radiologist working in Delhi. Second one is working as a lawyer practicing in Delhi and Andhra Pradesh. This is the second miracle. Third miracle is when I came, he said that, he asked me, I am sitting in the corridor, Baba asked me to rise. Don't worry, Bangaru, the difficulties, whatever everybody faces is a passing clouds. I did not understand what it means. And I never told to anybody that I had any difficulties, and I never felt that I had any difficulties. But later on I realized, after going back home, my recommendations, which is pending from the last 1.5 years, at that point of time as a judge, by the time I reached back, Chief Justice of India called me to come and meet him. And he told me that we cleared your name for elevation of High Court judge yesterday. After elevation as judge, twice I came. Baba never given any interview. I never expected also. But thereafter, third time, again asked me to come to his room and said that, Bangaru, I told you long back that I want to give you some protection. I told Swami, you are already protecting me. What more protection I need? You need a protection. Then he has given this ring. I told Swami, I normally don't wear any gold ornaments or any ornaments at all. No, Bangaru, here afterwards you have to wear this. See, it is a protection for you. You are working in a public office, you need protection. This is how Swami has taken care. I have not done anything, any contribution to the initiation of Swami, but this is the love and affection Swami has shown on our family. I am indebted to Swami a lot. Coming back to the issue, because today I was assigned a job, I never expected that I will stand before you and give a talk. It is another miracle. Normally I used to sit somewhere and hear all the people who are giving some speeches, and particularly Swami's speech. But today, Swami, it seems, ordered me to talk something on the legal system, which I am working. So taking the order, I am going to deliver some of the important issues. I know that you are already tired of hearing all of us, but it is my duty to tell something about the Baba's institutions and the legal system. I feel blessed to remember the teachings of Baba based on 5 most important human values: Satya, Dharma, Shanti, Prema, and Ahimsa. When truth is the eventual icon of theology, human is divine. The judicial and legal systems that are functioning to search for Satya, therefore, are under mandate of Dharma to protect the truth and truth alone. I understand from the preachings of Baba that truth is the human value, and the institution of judiciary is meant to enhance this value. Baba emphatically reiterated number of times that there is only one religion, that is religion of love. There is only one caste, the caste of humanity. There is only one language, the language of heart, and there is only one God, that is omnipresent. Baba's belief in service to humanity is renowned from grassroots to international level. It's Baba's presence that put a small, remote, tiny village of Puttaparthi on the global map with best of educational institutions, multi-specialty hospitals, world-class drinking water and other facilities and other amenities. More than the infrastructure, it is the infinite compassion and love which is visible here. Everyone in our day-to-day life encounters several challenges and circumstances which test our patience, peace of mind, and character. Values, we believe, influence the way we react to a situation, and they are the guiding principles of life. Values are formed by interaction of a man with his family, friends, society, education system, and environment. Education and values are inseparable and two sides of a coin. Education should promote a sense of morality and intellectualism among the students. They should be taught moral social responsibility, to care for their fellow beings and follow Dharma. In the context of acquiring education, we need to concentrate on how to provide value to next generation. We must not only provide these values from early age to our children, but also we must adapt them ourselves. We have been seeing a steady rise in case of molestation, intolerance, etc. every day, which is nothing but a result of degradation of values. As citizens, we do not speak up for values and precautions. We cannot protect anyone from such heinous crimes. We cannot sit quietly in a corner and think that no antisocial element or a bad neighborhood affect us. Man, being a social animal, cannot isolate himself from society. In this context, I appropriately modified the poem of German Lutheran pastor Martin, which was created against Nazis' invasion. I quote, "First they came for the weak, and I did not speak out, because I did not care for the monastery. Then they came for the neighborhood, and I did not speak out because I was not in the vicinity. Then they came for the friends, and I did not speak out because I was not one of them. Then they came for me, and there is no one left to speak for me. Unquote. The moral is that we must discuss, share, express, and try to settle the problems at community level before they blow up and cause big problems. I feel that the human values are the first line of weapon as well as defense, so that we can have good citizens, good neighborhoods, and ultimately good country. This is what Baba means when he observed, I quote, if there is righteousness